Hi guys, we are back with a new video. For today, I'm gonna teach you how to find the total length of all these lines, all at one time. And I'm gonna teach you how to find the total area at the same time as well. So let's get into it. First, we will be talking about the total length. So I have here a very simple floor plan, but we must turn off first the unnecessary layers like the doors, the windows, the dimensions, the text, and some decors. Alright, now that we have a very clean floor plan, we can now determine easily the total length of the inside and the outside lines of this floor plan. Traditionally, we always join these lines to determine the total length. Like for example, we are going to command TE, click here, yes, and then join these two, enter, and now these two are connected to each other. Now we can already determine the total length by the command LI for list. And now there is the length, 13 meters. Alright, but we will not do that if the lines are too much. We need a Autocad plugin. So this time we're gonna load the plugin. So go here in the manage menu and then load application, and now try to locate your application, the total length. Just click and load, and it says here the total length successfully loaded. So just close, and now we can command TL for total length and then select objects. Just select all the lines in the floor plan and then press enter. Now we have the total length 113.80 meters. So we'll just have to write here 113.80 meters so that we will not forget. Okay, so it's just as easy as that, right? But there's a but, guys. For instance, I'm gonna put a overlapping lines right here. Also in here, also right here. And now we're gonna command once again the total length, TL, and then select the objects that you want to include in the total length, then press enter. As you notice, the total length increase. It becomes 121.75 meters, and that's definitely wrong. And how to fix this one? How to fix these overlapping lines in our drawings? So we must command overkill. So just type overkill, press enter, and then select the objects, press enter once again, just click OK, and now all those overlapping lines already removed. So how to check? So command again TL, and then select the objects, and then press enter, and now the total length once again come down to 113 meters, 0.8. So it's already the same. Alright, that's how you troubleshoot these overlapping lines in our drawings before commanding the total length. So now I'm gonna teach you how to find the total area of these polygons. So from here you can command boundary hatch or B hatch, then you can select any of these patterns and then trying to change the scale 0.03, and now you can pick points here, here, and here. Okay, and now how to determine the total area? Just click the hatch and then command LI for the list. And now as you can see here, there is a area 20.735. So we will write so that we will not forget the total area. 2735. Okay. And now what if you have a separate hutch? Like for example, you have here 1, 2, 3. And now I'm gonna change the color. This one is green. How to determine the total of these 3 separate hutch? So you try to select these 3 hutch and then go to properties, and here in the geometry you will find the cumulative area. Okay, so it's 20.735, so it's just the same as this. And now you can also find it here when you select this tree, and then you will try to type the li for list. You will find area, but it's not the total area. Like for example, the green one of the green, it's here 6.5389. Next one is the cyan. Its area is 5.1962, and the last one, the red one, is 9 square meters. So that's the difference. Okay, so don't select this tree and command list. It will take time for you to add these 3 areas. But if you select this tree and then go to the property and go to geometry and click here, and you can click here the cumulative area, you can copy this one and paste to wherever you wanted to. Like for example, paste. Okay, that's how you get the total area. So that's all for today, guys. I hope that you learned a lot from today's video. And guys, if you find the video helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for more videos to come. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.